Good morning, all my dear students of class 5. This is your maths teacher and the host of this video, Ajit Haridas Mane. On the behalf of our school, Sri Patrao Bhosle High School, Usmanabad, welcomes into this online video lecture series of class 5 subject mathematics here. This is our video number 5 there. So in previous video, that is from video number 1 up to 4th video, we completed the operation of addition. Now we know that from first video we are starting for our third lesson given in our textbook as a addition and subtraction there. So up to 4th video we complete our first operation addition there. So in the last video, that is, we completed word problems on addition process, and on that we have given a problem set number 9 there. I hope so you can watch, you can observe that video and you will be get the information about addition process easily there. Now we are proceeding towards our next operation, that is second operation given into this third lesson, that is the subtraction here. So first we are taking the introduction of this subtraction process in front of you. That's why in front of you here I am putting the meaning of this subtraction process. Now from standard 2, standard 3 and standard 4 we learnt about this subtraction process as well as addition process there. Now addition process we completed already, so simultaneously we are moving towards subtraction process here. So first we want to explain the meaning of this subtraction process in a short way here. So that's why at the left side, if you observe your screen here, here I am taking the meaning of this subtraction process in this way. Subtraction means to less smaller number from bigger number and find the difference between those given two numbers here. So when you observe the example of subtraction, in that example, while making the subtraction of those two number, the first number it always given bigger there and second number is always given smaller. So from standard 2 we learned that how to subtract smaller number from bigger number. Now in this 5th standard also we continue same part of subtraction here. Now after making the subtraction of those two numbers, the final answer that we get, the third number that we get there, that third number is known as a difference of those given two numbers here. Now in a short way here I am explaining this meaning in our Marathi language. दोन संख्यांची वजाबाकी करत असताना त्या ठिकाणी आपण मोठ्या संख्येतून लहान संख्या वजा करतो आणि वजा केल्यानंतर आपल्याला जी संख्या मिळते त्या संख्येला त्या दिलेल्या दोन संख्यांमधला फरक असं म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी ओळखलं जातं. So after getting this meaning in our Marathi language, after that to explain the concept, that is the meaning of this subtraction process in front of you, here I am taking one example. This example is quite easy. Such examples you have completed in our 4th standard there. Now example here I am reading as 6524 minus 2302. So while making this subtraction process, the method of vertical arrangement is also same as the addition process here that we already know about this vertical arrangement. So here I am making vertical arrangement of these two numbers, 6524 minus 2302. Now if you compare these two numbers, 6524, this is a bigger number and 2302 is a smaller number. So we subtract smaller number from bigger number. So let's observe as well as their vertical arrangement. We write all digits one below each other at proper places here. Ones place below ones place, tens below tens, hundreds below hundred and thousands below thousand. After making this vertical arrangement we calculated the answer, that is from ones place we done their subtraction. So 4 minus 2 we get answer 2 there. Next 2 minus 0 we get 2. 5 minus 3 we get answer as 2, and last subtraction, that is 6 minus 2 we get as a 4 there. So we get answer as 4222. So this number that we obtain, it is the difference of these given two numbers here. So that's why at the last of this example here I am saying that if we subtract 2302 from 6524, we get the difference between these two number is 4222. So in a short way we are getting the meaning of this subtraction process. Now into this 5th standard also we continue same procedure of subtraction. So while making the subtraction of two given numbers, which precaution, which steps we had to follow, those steps now we are revising up into the next slide. So at the next slide here I am showing for steps for subtraction here. So let's observe these steps here that here I am explaining. While making subtraction of the given two numbers, we have to follow the steps given below. Now the steps that here I am representing in front of you, these steps are parallel to the addition process here. The first step, arrange the given two numbers properly, that is in vertical arrangement or in vertical method. So addition as well as subtraction, these two first operation on numbers we always carry out in their vertical method, and in vertical method we had to arrange those numbers below each other by proper way. So that is your first step. And after that, second step that we taken there, subtraction always start from digits at unit place here. So as like addition, the process of subtraction we always start from ones place or unit place there. So to explain this step, now here I want to take one example in front of you. Now let's continue this example. 7,56,524 minus 2,13,112. Now this is the subtraction of two 6-digit numbers here. So vertical method, if you observe here, in vertical method while making the arrangement there, here I am using 6 columns. First column of ones place, second of tens, third of 100, fourth of 1000 place, fifth of 10,000 place, and sixth of lakh place here. After taking these 6 columns here, now I want to arrange the given two numbers at proper places here. First number we arrange now 7,56,524. So while arranging this number, we start in opposite manner, that is starting from ones place in that number, that is we arrange 4 in ones column, 2 into tens column, 5 into hundreds column, 6 into thousands column. After that 5 into 10,000s column, 7 into lakh place column. After that we take minus sign and we want to arrange second number. Second number is of again 6-digit here. So while arranging that second number, again we start in opposite way, starting from ones place there. 2 we arrange below 4 in ones column, 1 we arrange below 2 in tens column, again 1 we arrange below 5 in hundreds column, next digit 3 we arrange below 6 in thousands column, 1 arrange below 5 in 10,000s column, and 2 we arrange below 7 in lakh place column. So this is the proper vertical arrangement for these two number to continue the subtraction. Now after making the proper vertical arrangement, now we are going to start here subtraction from ones place. So look at the ones place here. So we had to do the subtraction 4 minus 2 in this way. 4 minus 2, that is a easy subtraction. We got answer as 2. So 4, from that we remove 2. So that remaining 2 only. That's why we write 2 here. Tens column 2 minus 1. So from 2 we had to less 1. So there is remaining 1 only. So 2 minus 1 here I am writing as 1. Thereafter 5 minus 1. So from 5 we had to subtract 1. So if we subtract 1, there is remaining 4 only. So 5 minus 1, we write there 4. Thereafter 6 minus 3 there. So from 6 we had to less 3 here. So that is remaining 3 only. So 6 minus 3, we write their answer as 3. Next column 10,000. 5 minus again 1 here. So 5 minus 1. If we less 1, there is remaining 4 only. So we write there 4. After that, last subtraction. 7 minus 2. So from 7, we less 2 now. That's remaining 5. So 7 minus 2, we got answer as 5 here. So after making the subtraction, we got final answer as 5,43,412. So this is the difference of given two numbers. So this is the meaning and the steps for the subtraction with the help of one example. Now in our textbook, there are some examples given. Now to explain such examples, now the examples related about this our 5th standard, such examples now we are going to explain here into the next slide here. That's why here I am showing in front of you. Let's observe some examples for subtraction here. So let's start for the first example that here I want to take. This is the example in this way. In this first example, I want to take the numbers in this way. Here I am reading the example first. 6,54,463 there. So after taking minus 4,29,171. So we had to continue the subtraction between these two 6-digit numbers here. So let's observe the vertical arrangement, vertical method for this example. Now here both numbers that we take are 6-digited, so we are making 6 columns in vertical arrangement. So first column is of ones, second is of tens, third is of 100, fourth is of 1000, fifth is of 10,000, and sixth is of lakh plus. So after taking these 6 columns here, now we arrange first number 6,54,463. So while arranging that number, 3 we write into ones column, 6 into tens, 4 into hundreds column, 4 into thousands column, 5 into 10,000s column, 6 into lakh place column. After that we take minus sign there. Now we want to arrange second number 4,29,171. So here we start the arrangement from opposite way, that is starting from ones place. 1 we arrange below 3 in ones column, we arrange 7 below 6 into tens column. Next digit 1 we arrange below 4 into hundreds column. Next digit is 9, that we arrange below 4 in thousands column. Next digit is 2, we arrange below 5 into 10,000s column. And next digit is 4, we arrange below 6 into lakh place column. So after making this proper vertical arrangement, now we start from ones column, unit place here. 3 minus 2, that we get answer as 2. 3 minus 2, so that's remaining only 1. Thereafter next subtraction, that is at tens place, 6 minus 7. Now this subtraction is not possible because 7 is greater than 6 and the greater number we cannot subtract it from smaller number. So to continue this subtraction, the steps, that is the important step here. To continue this subtraction, we take one carry from next 4. From that 4 we take one carry in tens column, and after taking that one carry we got 2-digit number as 16. Now from that 16 we subtract 7, so 16 minus 7 we got answer as 9 here. After that hundreds column, at 100 column instead of 4 there is remaining 3. Now one carry is less from 4 and that taken into tens column there. So instead of 4 there is remaining 3. So from that 3 we subtract 1 there. So 3 minus 1 we get 2. Thereafter at 1000 place, if you observe 4 minus 9, this is the actual subtraction given. Now present 4 minus 9, this subtraction is not possible. Now to make this subtraction we take one carry from 5 at 10,000 place. if you take one carry at 1000 place, we got a 2-digit number 14. So from that 14 we had to subtract 9 here. So 14 minus 9, that we get answer as 5 here. Thereafter at 10,000 place, instead of 5 there is remaining 4. Now from that 4 we subtract 2, so 4 minus 2 we get answer as 2 there. And the last subtraction at lakh place here, 6 minus 4, that remaining 2. So final answer we get here as 2,25,292. so this is the difference of these given two numbers here. Now let's proceed towards second example. That's here I'm putting in front of you. Now in second example, first I want to read out those two numbers here. That is 74,26,258 minus 8,25,741. So if you observe this given two number, first number is of 7 digits here and second number is of just 6 digit. So the proper vertical arrangement, it should be correct here. So let's pay attention towards vertical method. Now in vertical arrangement, here I am using 7 columns. Why here I am using 7 columns? Because the first number is given of 7 digited, that's why. So first column is of ones, second is of tens, third is of hundreds, fourth is of thousands, fifth is of 10,000, sixth is of lakh, and seventh column is of 10 lakh plus. After that, taking this 7 column, we arrange first number here, 74,26,258. So this number we arrange in opposite way, starting from 8, ones place. So 8 we arrange into ones, 5 we arrange into tens, 2 arrange into hundreds, 6 we arrange into thousands, 2 arrange into 10,000s, 4 arrange into lakh plus, and 7 we arrange at 10 lakh plus. Then we take minus sign there, and thereafter we arrange second number 8,25,741. So while arranging this second number, we also coming in opposite way, that is starting from ones place, that is the digit 1 we arrange below 8 in ones column, 4 we arrange below 5 in tens column, 7 we arrange into hundreds, that is below 2, 5 we arrange below 6 in thousands column, 2 we arrange below 2 in 10,000s column, 8 we arrange below 4 into lakh plus column. In this way we make proper vertical arrangement. Now we are going to start here this subtraction. So subtraction we had to start from ones place. So look at the ones place here, 8 minus 1, a simple subtraction, that remaining 7 there. At tens place, 5 minus 4, we got answer as simply 1 there. Now look at the 100 place now, 2 minus 7, this subtraction we want to do. Now 2 minus 7 is not possible. Now to continue the subtraction from next 6 at 1000 place, we make one carry there, and after taking that one carry we get a 2-digit number as 12. Now from that 12 we subtract 7, so 12 minus 7 we got answer as 5 here. Now look at the 1000 place, instead of 6 there is remaining only 5 now. Now from that 5 we subtract 5 there, so 5 minus 5 we get 0. Now look at 10,000s here, 2 minus 2 we got zeros there. Now at lakh place here, 4 minus 8, that we want to continue. Now 4 minus 8 is not possible, so to continue that subtraction we take one carry from 7, that at lakh place we got a 2-digit number 14. So from that 14 we subtract 8, so 14 minus 8 we got 6 here. Now at 10 lakh place, instead of 7 there is remaining 6, so 6 we write as it is into the answer. So the final answer we get as here, that is 66,517. So this number is known as the difference of these given two numbers here. So in this example 1 and example 2, that we continues here, the vertical arrangement of these given two numbers here. Now while making this vertical arrangement, we are taking columns here. By making columns, we are continuing this subtraction process. Now we had to continue here that as like addition, can we continue the vertical arrangement without columns here? That method now here I want to explain in front of you with the help of next slide here, and such method we had to follow into this 5th standard here. So that's why we are moving towards our next part here, that's in this way. So in the next part that here I am showing a next slide, that is in the form of whiteboard. So on this whiteboard now I want to take the example in this way. Now in this first example on this whiteboard, and this is our serial number 3 to explain the subtraction here. So the example is that 4,19,167 minus 2,11,470. So this is the subtraction of two numbers that here I am taking, 4,19,167 minus 2,11,417. Now into this example, first we want to arrange these two numbers in their proper vertical arrangement. So first number here I am putting down in this way, 4,19,167, take minus sign there. After that here second number I want to arrange direct way. So 2,11,417. So the method that we continues here, it is a direct way. Let's keep in mind. So when you observe this vertical arrangement, all digits that are coming one below each other at proper places. So we start subtraction from ones place. So 7 minus 7, we got answer as 0. 6 minus 1, we got answer as 5. 1 minus 4. So here 1 minus 4 is not possible. To continue that subtraction, we take 1 carry from 9. So instead of 1 there is remaining 11. We got 11 there. So 11 minus 4, we got answer as 7. Now 1 carry less from 9. So instead of 9 there is remaining 8 here. So from that 8 we subtract 1, that remaining 7. Now 1 minus 1, that is 0, and 4 minus 2, that is 2. So final answer we get here 2,07,750. Look at the vertical arrangement into the answer as well as above number, all digits coming one below each other at proper places here. After that again we take another example, that is a serial number 4th example in this slide here. Let's take in this way, 28,64,950 minus 94,165. Now this example that here I want to explain here. Now this example here I am taking because first number that here I am taking of 7 digit, and second number, sorry, first number is of 7 digit and second number is of 5 digit only. Now first we want to make out the vertical arrangement here. So first number here I am put down in this way, 28,64,950 minus. Now while arranging second number below this, some students take second number direct way, and in that direct method they start 94,000 below 28 lakh, and they got mistake here. So while arranging second number into this example, we start in opposite way. That means we had to arrange second number from ones place. So in second number, ones place is of 5. So 5 we arrange below 0. 6 we arrange below 5 into tens place. 1 we arrange below 9 into hundreds place. 4 we arrange below 4 at 1000 place, and 9 we arrange below 6 at 10,000 plus. So this is the proper vertical arrangement that we have to done here. So after making this proper vertical arrangement, now we start from ones place. 0 minus 5, this subtraction we had to done. This is not possible here, so we make one carry from this 5. So after taking that 5, instead of 0 there is remaining 10, coming 10 here. So 10 minus 5, we got answer as 5 here. After that, one carry is less from 5, that is remaining 4 only. Now 4 minus 6, this subtraction again not possible. So to continue that subtraction, instead of 4 there is continuing a 2-digit number as 14 here. So from 9 we take 1 carries there. So from 14 we subtract 6, that remaining 8 here. After that, instead of 9 there is remaining 8. Now from that 8 we subtract 1, there is remaining 7 now. Now 4 minus 4, it will be 0. Thereafter 6 minus 9, this subtraction is not possible. So to continue this subtraction, we take 1 carry from 8. So instead of 6, we got a 2-digit number as 16. So 16 minus 9, remaining 7 here. After that, instead of 8, there is remaining 7. So that 7 we take into the answer, and that's remaining 2. So final answer we get here as 27,70,785. So in this way we are making the subtraction without making columns. So again we want to take another example here, that is serial number 5th example in front of you to explain the same fact again. So that is the example in this way: 9,18,670 minus 58,175. So this subtraction we want to done here. So that's why first we want to make out vertical arrangement here. That's why first number here I'm putting in this way: 9,18,670 minus, while arranging second number we start in opposite way again. So in second number, ones place has digit 5, so that 5 we arrange below 5 here. Next digit is 7, so 7 we arrange below 7. Thereafter 1 we arrange below 6, 8 we arrange below 8 at 1000 place, and 5 we arrange below 1 at 10,000 place. So after making this vertical arrangement, now we are going to explain, we are going to start the subtraction from ones place. So look at 0 minus 5, this subtraction is not possible. So to continue this subtraction, we take 1 carry from 7, and instead of 0 we got a 2-digit number as 10. So 10 minus 5, now you can write 5 is there. Now 1 carry less from 7, so instead of 7 there is remaining 6. So 6 minus 7, it is not possible. So to carry that subtraction, we take 1 carry from next 6 digit, that make 16 there. Now from that 16 we subtract 7, that remaining 9 here. Thereafter instead of 6 at 100 place, there is remaining 5. So from that 5 we subtract 1. So 5 minus 1, we get 4 there. Thereafter at 10,000, next subtraction, thousands here. 8 minus 8, that we get 0. Now look at 10,000 plus 1 minus 5, that is not possible here. So to continue that subtraction, we take 1 carry from 9, and at 11, from 11 we subtract 5, that remaining 6 here. Now 1 carry is less from 9, so instead of 9, into the main answer we take 8 here. That's why we get the answer as 8,60,495. So in this way, without making columns in vertical arrangement, we also do the subtraction of given true number. Now such method that here I am showing in this whiteboard technique, you have to follow into this 5th standard here. That's why here I am taking the next part. Now we are coming into our main part here. So here in our textbook we have given there, that is on page number, in your textbook on page number 12, you have given a simple problem set number 10 there. So in that problem set number 10, you have given just 4 examples, and these 4 examples are given as a homework to complete in your classwork notebook here. Now this problem set here I am showing in this way. Problem set number 10, subtract. Just 4 examples are given, and while giving these 4 examples, the vertical arrangement, it is already done there. So first example here I want to read out, 64,293 minus 28,547. Second number, second example, 37,058 minus 23,469. Third example, 71,540 minus 58,628. And fourth example, 50,432 minus 48,647 here. So these simple examples here I am continuing at the ending of this video under the title of homework here. So the first, I think, examples that here I am showing into this video, and these 4 examples into this problem set number 10 that you had to complete in your classwork notebook. Now in the next, that is in video number 6, we are going to continue problem set number 11, the actual examples that we had to continue into this 5th standard. These actual examples are given into this problem set number 11 on page number 13 there. So that problem set we are going to start in our that 6th videos there. So you have to observe, watch, listen carefully the whole information about this subtraction process here. So in this video we are going to stop here. Thank you. Have a nice